Hi YouTubers, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video what I plan to do is basically strip the rest of the bodywork away from the chassis. So I'm going to start with the front wings, remove those, front panel, and obviously take the roof off, and then I'm going to try and take these side panels off and the rear as well. I don't know how well it's going to go, so having never done one of these before, so anyway, let's crack into it. So that's the driver's side inner wing removed. So it basically just all unbolted from this area here on the front panel and down there. There's a long bolt that goes through there like a chassis mount, just there. So that's the bolt that goes through. And then there was two bolts just there, and a series of self tappers running around there on that bulkhead panel, and that's it. It just pulls out. The only other thing you have to detach is all the brakes. All the brake lines have to come off, and just unclip the battery lead as well. So actually it was this one here, this live one. Bit of corrosion on that bolt. And there's a bit of corrosion just here. It feels alright, the back of it. I'll know in a minute when I take it off. So it's ready to come off now. So as you can see, it's pretty good. A bit of surface rust, but very, very minimal. There's good paint underneath there. I don't know what it's like inside there, because that bolt was pretty bad, but that might have been the original bolt. I've got a feeling that these fenders have been replaced. They just look in too good a condition not to have been replaced at some stage. And one of the telltale signs was on the front. These are the condition of some of the nuts and bolts that are coming out. So they look quite fresh. But yeah, it's come apart pretty good. You see the I'll get a light in a minute. This chassis at the front there looks really good. Looks like someone's had a go at these. You can see where it's been cut and welded. So I'll be replacing those with new ones. Okay, so that's the front bulkhead now removed. So there's just a series of nuts and bolts running down this pillar here. So you just undo those. There's a mount here to the chassis, one of those each side, and that's basically it, apart from unclipping all the pipes and bits and pieces that are attached to the bulkhead. So you've got to remember to release all those, and there it is. So I just stood it aside at the moment. It's not even that heavy, to be honest, so I pulled that out. And there's also a front cross member here, top of the screen. So that's got 2 bolts each end and a couple of rivets. So that's all out as well now. So the next thing to attack is I'm actually going to try and remove the sides. I have removed this horrible hunk of metal that was welded. They'd actually welded it to the seals. I found one bit of corrosion here. The light's not very good in here today because it's a really miserable wet day today, so there's a bit of corrosion to sort out there, but it seems to me, apart from that, it all seems pretty good, the seals. So it's really good to rip this thing apart, 'cause, say any rust I can basically fix, paint the whole thing back up and just reassemble. Okay, so I found a bit of rot in this seal on this side. You can see there, someone bogged it up with body filler. can see a bit of corrosion through there, a bit there, and it's just caught the bottom of that pillar. See a tiny hole, if I put my finger there, just there. So all in all, not too bad. So I'll get this side off and then I'll decide what to do, whether I replace the seals on this side, or I've got steel here, I might even fabricate these seals up and maybe join in at the top here, because it seems really sound up the top here. So just create a couple of, it's only 2 folds, so it's pretty easy to manufacture because it's straight and it's just plain. So I'll decide when I get to that stage. Okay, so that's the roof off now. That's as light as anything. It's so easy to lift off, it's unreal. Side's a little bit heavier, but it's got the side off as well, and I just lowered it with the car lift. So I'll do the same on the other side now. So you can see it's there. So now I can work on these separate parts of the car, and then get them all painted up. And any welding that needs to be done, I can do that. Be easy access now, and then basically bolt them up onto the chassis when the chassis is all ready. Okay, just the rear to go now. That's the last piece. Okay, so that's everything removed from the chassis now, all the body of the car. So I've disconnected all the bits on the engine, all the battery leads and fuel lines and bits and pieces like that. So that's what I'm going to be doing next, is basically get this engine out. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to lift this engine out now with a hoist. Don't quite know how it's going to go. Everything's unbolted, all the mounts on the 2 mounts on the transmission and the 2 mounts on the front on the engine. So yeah, hopefully it all goes to plan. Okay, so that's the engine and gearbox now out the chassis. Come out remarkably easy. No hassle at all getting that one out. Unfortunately, the phone ran out of battery, so I didn't get all the caption. But anyway, it's out now. Yeah, next job I suppose is to probably get this, or get the last few bits and pieces off the chassis that I can take off. I want to keep it rolling at this stage, so I'll just keep the bare minimal on there, just so I can move the thing around, and then I'll probably move it outside and give it a bloody good pressure wash, and then from there I will possibly roll it into the spray booth as is, and then disassemble the last bits, like all the axles off it, get it up on some stands. Yeah, go from there. I would like to shot blast it, but I don't know yet. I'll see what I find when I pressure wash it and how good the paint is underneath and everything else. So if looking at it so far, there's hardly any there is surface rust on there, but there isn't a lot. So I will probably just go over it with a wire wheel on a grinder, key it all up, just make sure we get back to clean metal, and then we'll get some paint on it. So anyway guys, big thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.